Good morning everyone. So today I will teach you some tips about how to pass correctly in futsal. I hope you guys can do it properly. So today I will show you tips how to passing correctly in futsal for beginners. So the first step is we need to use the inside foot. Strike the middle of the ball with the inside foot for your accuracy. Second, plant your non-kicking foot properly. Place it 10 until 15 centimeters beside the ball, toes pointing toward your teammate. Next, lean slightly forward. Keep the pass low and controlled. For the fourth step, keep the ball close before passing. First touch should stop the ball within 20 until 30 centimeters of your foot. 5. Look up before passing. Identify the target, then look back at the ball for actual strike. For the last step, pass early. Release the ball within 1 until 2 seconds when pressure comes.